Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm having a wonderful day. I am very happy, and I'm gonna share all the good news with you guys. So I'm gonna give you a quick backstory in case you're new or you know remember.
If you give up KFC for 3 months, babe, I'll give you $10,000.
Bro,
I
give
give
me
10,000
30
each month.
Oh yeah. Alright,
And babe, I'm gonna tell you this, babe. You know, say in a relationship, people, for some who don't know this and everything post on camera. Babe, if you and me stop a KFC and buy my KFC, babe, make a wait till you get where you want, I'm gonna snap your arm, I'm gonna post it, babe.
Alright, deal. 30 grand. 3 months.
No, wait. Pause. Alright, when it comes to money, why women always hear them more for a year? I just said 2 months and then they go you book 30 grand 3 months, like.
You said 3 months.
Alright, but here what, babe. Let's make it fun.
Okay.
You're gonna get the 30 grand at the end of the 3rd month of you not consuming KFC.
Deal.
Backside. Come. Babe, say it to the camera. I hear Jabba Ram. Yeah, come.
Say it and me agree. Just say your contract and me agree.
I hear Jabba Ram.
I hear Jabba Ram. No, but me have to read my contract first and talk and let me analyze it.
No.
No.
Hold on. Yes, after you don't say it, if you don't grab my pinky finger, you know,
Alright,
valid. So.
I hear Jabba Ram.
Will
Not
not consume anything from KFC.
consume anything from KFC.
Not even a juice from KFC.
Not even a juice from KFC.
Until the next 3 months.
Until the next 3 months.
End. Which is the end of June.
Which is the end of June.
And I will stick to my promise.
And I will stick to my promise.
Or else I will owe my fiance.
What about we? You just
Or I will owe my fiance.
I will owe my fiance
$30,000 at the end.
$30,000 at the end.
And listen now, we're gonna make you a promise, but listen, if you eat KFC even one of the month, even for the last month, babe, even if you eat a piece of my KFC, babe, you owe me 30 grand.
Yeah, babe, once I consume KFC within the 3 months.
Do you really think you can like do that?
Yes, I can manage, and it's a deal, and it's encouragement too. We made that deal, and him said, babe, if you don't eat KFC for like 3 months, I'm gonna give you 30,000. That is a good deal. Like, who would have said no to that deal? Not me. So of course I agree, and I didn't eat KFC for that time. However, I did post the video on the 4th of March, but Jason did mix it up and think it was like the 14th of March. So in our head we did I say, okay, the contract are up the 14th, which it did for up the 4th. So you know what that means? I'm gonna eat the KFC for 3 months and 10 days. Today is the 14th. Not to confuse you guys, in the video, when I hear Jason did I say, okay babe, if I not eat it for 3 months, then you know you'll get 30,000. I did agree to it. In the second video, Jason says so that would have been June month end. No, it wouldn't be June month end because the video did post on March 4th. So I did that video on March 4th and I did post it on March 4th. You know, I'm gonna drop my little receipt them here and there because I don't want to confuse, you know. I say, in all fairness, 3 months because you know, say from March to April, then from April to May, and then from May to June, which was the 4th of June, because the video did post on the 4th of March, would have been 3 months. And now me over like 10 days. And then guess what? Me did a mix it up say at the 14th, which was really the 4th. The contract would have up. But not a problem, not a big deal, Better for me as well. So me been away on the day here. So as the 14th chip in, me start look around, which is today. Me start look like nobody not say nothing to me about the money. Nobody? Oh, a matter of fact, I'm giving a better understanding. So when we did post the video there, dads commented on the video and say, okay, If you do that, me I add $70,000 more to the money. That is on Jason's 30,000. You think me I gonna eat it? $100,000 finna eat KFC for 3 months? Fast forward to right now. I got my money. I am $100,000 richer today, and I am proud. You know why? Jason, if you don't remember the video them good, if you're new, you probably have to go search for them, because I don't think I can manage to insert so much video. But Jason changed up my good box food chicken and put KFC, and it never catch me. My family eat KFC in front of me and it never catch me. Not only that, me never did. It's like, to be real honest, I'm gonna be honest with you for a second. It never really phased me. I'm not gonna tell any lie. Like, if you're not there a long time, you know me used to love KFC, but then after a while it's like my love for it no. You know, it not really did it again. So me not eating it for 3 months, it wasn't hard. I mean, when me smell it, like when somebody roll me and eat it and me smell it, me I say, that really take a bite out of that zinger there. I'm not gonna tell no lie. But you know, it never so bad. I mean, they just try to stay away. Like if Mr. say I eat KFC, me just go one side. You know, I just do my thing. Or if we're hungry and we're up on the road and we take KFC, we go buy one sandwich or whatever the case is. The hardest part was if you're there beside me and eating and me smell it, because KFC just have that scent, the guys. Me not know. And the scent make we love it so much. It just have that scent that when you smell it, you know say I eat, like I said, somebody eat KFC where? You know? But yeah. So I got the 30 from Jason and I got the 70 from Dads. And Dad strict me, so I need to call Dads. Because Dads said to me like, Lord God, when I go get myself in, I'm not have the money, hear me. Yeah, Dads, we can sign up one next contract, man. If I don't have the money, no rush, you can give me when I have it, but we can sign one contract, you know. Look at interest rate I go up on it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I know I'm going to put it to good use, because I don't know life really hard. I really appreciate the money here. And fun and joke aside, I really appreciate that Jason could have proposed such a deal to me, you know. It was extra motivation. Jason did a video, so you guys will see when I go see his video before mine. On a serious note, when you're gonna sign a contract, guys, please to read it carefully. In my case, it wasn't any reading, you know, it was just word of mouth and we just agree. But read the contract carefully. Read the little tricky parts to it, because in my case, if this was like, you know, a bigger situation, me would have been in trouble. I would be in trouble. Or the person would have been in trouble. Which would have been them, would have been me. Because them not gonna make no mistake for cause them to go down. It would have been me. The best part is the video was recorded and uploaded on the same day, which was March 4th. And both of we agreed to 3 months. And from March 4th to June 4th would have been 3 months. But in that said video, Jason did say June month end would have made 3 months. That would have been way past 3 months. Luckily, Jason is a fair person, so him did I say, baby, in all fairness, the contract would have up for 2 because we only agreed to 3 months. But yeah, thank you so much, Dads. Thank you so much, Jason. I really appreciate this money, and I'll be putting it to good use.
Yeah, Andra.
I'm gonna end off my video now. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100k. I love you guys. Bye.